Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about Data Studio. Data Studio is a free tool from Google that allows you to connect and pull different data sources, like Google Analytics, Google Sheet, Facebook and many more, and then easily create visual reports that can be shared with your clients, stakeholders and your team members. In this video we will see many features of Data Studio, as we make this World Populations Report. This is the main interface of Google Data Studio. We can see our previous report and these are the free templates of reports. We will create our report. Data Studio allows us to connect with many data sources. We are gonna start with population data sample provided by Google. Click on Add, and then click on Add to Report. This shows population data in tabular format. First let's give our report a name, to population data. Next let's add the header. We create a rectangle and keep it on the top. We will add gray color to it. And there are many other style options to beautify your report. Now we will add title of our report. Let's change the size and the color of the title. And move it to the top left corner. Now let's add some numbers to our report. Click Add a Chart and let's add some score chart. Score chart are good for keeping key performance indicators. That is KPI. Let's change the border color. And as you can see, there are many styling options. If you are happy with the score chart, then right-click and duplicate the score chart. It retains the style that we made. Now we can change the matrix of the score chart. We can drag it over to replace the matrix. We can continue this process to make more score charts. For this one, let's put internet users. Drag and drop and we are done. To see the country's population, I am going to put map in our report. Go to Add a Chart and click on World Map. I will adjust the map in the position I want. Let's add a title to make it more specific and call it Internet Users. Let's make some space to add time series chart. Go to Add a Chart and add time series chart. Here it shows internet users chart, but we can also add more matrix. Here it will show two data, but we want only one, so delete internet users matrix. Duplicate the time series chart and then let's add internet percentage matrix. Follow my steps. Now let's resize the table. Here in the table also we can show many data at once. We have to select the matrix and drag and drop only. Now let's add pie chart. Go to add a chart and click on the pie chart. This pie chart shows the population data. Now let's add bar graph or bar chart. We go to add a chart and then click on bar chart. Let's rearrange so our bar chart fits in. Bar chart is showing population data, but I want my bar chart to show internet users data, so I will add internet users matrix. To view the report, we have to click on this View button. This is how our report looks like. Our report is static, end users cannot interact with it. Let's add date range control, which will allow end user to change time period of the report they want to view. Let's do some basic styling. Let's move all the charts and make some space. Let's add drop-down menu that allows users to look at the populations of different countries. Now let's view our report. As told earlier, date range control let us see the reports between particular dates. And drop down, list all the countries we want to see the population's data. Now we are done with our population report. Now it's time to share this beautiful report with others. Sharing options are, we can invite people to our report. Next is automatic delivery of our report. We can set the time also. We can simply create link to this report. And we can download it in PDF form. Or we can share this report like any other Google Drive documents. To make copy of this report in your Data Studio account, just click this copy button. I hope you enjoyed this video, in which we learn how to create a report using Data Studio and its sharing options. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe here.